Hey, this is Omari from sqspthemes.com. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the Lightbox Anything plugin on your Squarespace site. Now, the first step is to upload the included JavaScript and CSS files. So to do that, we'll go to Not Linked and we'll click on the plus sign. We'll scroll down to Link. If you click on the gear icon, it will pull up the link editor. And then if you go down to File, you'll be able to click Upload and navigate to your um, your plugin folder and upload the JavaScript and the CSS file. Once you've done that, you can click close and you can click close again, and then go back to your instructions and hit copy code. Now, by default, if you click on any area outside of the lightbox, it's going to close the lightbox. But if you wanted to disable that functionality, you would click on this first and then copy the code. So once you've copied that code, we're going to go over to our site-wide code injection, which you can get to by going to Settings, Advanced, Code Injection, and then scroll down to Footer, where you can paste that code. Now, once you've done that, you are ready to Lightbox anything. So for this demonstration, I'm going to trigger my About page to launch from as a Lightbox from this button link. And so you can do this from any link. It could be a text link, an image link, anywhere where you can add a click-through URL. You can turn that into a Lightbox pop-up. And so the way that you do this is, of course, you'll create a page with the content that you want to show up in the Lightbox. In this case, that page has the URL about dash two, and I've typed in hashtag Lightbox greater than sign, and then the specific URL that I want to open up. All right, hit apply, hit save, and then gonna have to refresh this page. And while that refreshes, if you scroll down in your instructions file, you'll see here, this is exactly how the URL link should look. So, whatever that page URL is going to be, that's what's going to be right there. And while that loads, let me show you something else. So if you keep going down, you'll get to this section called Customize. And here you can actually customize how the lightbox is styled. So let's say you want to add some radius around the border. You can do that. Let's say you wanted a little bit extra padding between the text and the light box. You could do that as well. Maybe you want to change the background color or the font family that shows up in the light box, or maybe you want to change how long it takes the light box to close, or maybe you want to make the close icon a little smaller. You can make all of those changes right here, and once you've done that, you can either hit copy, and this will generate a whole bunch of CSS that you can copy and paste into your custom CSS. Or the other way to do it is to simply hit download. And what this will do is it will generate a new CSS file. And you'd simply go back to where you uploaded the first one and delete it and then replace it with the new one. And that's pretty much it. So now that this page has refreshed, I'm going to hit learn more, and I should get my about page to pop up here as a lightbox. Here we go. All right. So this is how you set up the plugin. If you have any questions, you can always email us at support@sqspthemes.com. We'll be happy to help you out.